What's up guys, EB Coast here, getting another update on Project Purple coming to Six Flags Great Adventure. And as you can see, I have an up close view of the launch track and the zero G stall, progress on that, as well as an upside down LSM launch. It's a close-up view of all of those LSMs.
Well, but when you read I mean, I'm not super fond of it, but when you read the description of it,
We went to dance play again today.
Bunch of those support columns sitting over there. Got even more track and support columns over here in the parking lot, as well as some stuff from Six Flags America that's making its way to Shoreline Pier later this year. All right, so that would do it for the second construction update on Project 2027, aka Purple Coaster. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I'm EB Coaster, and I'll see you guys next time.
Please remain seated, facing forward, keeping your head against the headrest and your hands